Mhm. Mhm. He walk. He get down and play like he's down playing now. Boy, he get up and just a walk.
Don't tear it down.
He's fast. But Emily walked when she was 10 months. She walked real early. Courtney was the one that wouldn't walk. Emily walked.
Don't tear it down.
Hey, Jesus, I'm going to call the boy Julian. Jeffrey, say something to the camera. Yeah, that was a rough ride, but we got back, so I dropped off, took him home. And he has a nice little place. Andrew, see, him and Kathy was looking for a house at the same time, and he bought one of those condos that's like 2 blocks over from where John used to live. It's right, on the back of, like, Fletcher Johnson. So he bought that. Oh, I like it. It is kind of small. She didn't want anything that was too small.